The next iPhone is right around the corner, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is already making waves in the tech world. While Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, leaks and insider info are painting a jaw-dropping picture. Let's start with the design. Apple is going full luxury again with a sleek glass body wrapped in ultra-strong titanium. It's expected to be IP68 certified, meaning it can dive up to 6 meters underwater for 30 minutes. No worries at the beach or pool. Dual SIM support and Apple Pay are on board, making it travel-ready. Now, that massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display, it's going to be a showstopper. With LTPO technology, a 120Hz refresh rate, and support for Dolby Vision and HDR10, it's tailored for everything from high-end gaming to Netflix marathons. Plus, with almost no bezels and an ultra-crisp resolution, this screen is nearly all visual magic. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to run on Apple's blazing fast A19 Pro chip, built on a super-efficient 3nm process. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of NVMe storage, performance will be lightning fast, whether you're editing 4K video or juggling dozens of apps. And let's talk about cameras. This device is set to feature three 48MP lenses, main, ultra-wide, and a periscope-style telephoto with 5x optical zoom. Expect cinema-level detail, even in low light, thanks to enhanced stabilization, a LiDAR scanner, and powerful new software tricks. The front camera gets an upgrade too, offering 24MP selfies, Face ID improvements, and stunning video capabilities including Dolby Vision and slow-mo at up to 240 frames per second. Connectivity? Top of the line. With Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, satellite features for emergencies, and a USB-C port that finally supports high-speed data and video out, this iPhone is more future-proof than ever. And the battery? Expect faster charging with wired, MagSafe, and even reverse charging options. Bottom line, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be Apple's most powerful, most advanced phone to date. If you want the best of the best, this might just be the phone worth waiting for. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.